Welcome to another video with Nature Nuts. On this vlog, we will be taking you to Miller Bay. It's a short walk that not many people go on, or at least any time we have been down to Miller Bay. We have had it to ourselves, which makes it a peaceful destination to take a breath and to relax.
The big guns.
Now, as you can see, the walking trails has flooded due to prior rainy days. I recommend wearing some good waterproof shoes in case you have to walk on this trail for sure.
That was not a serious clip at all. I hear bald eagles.
Yeah.
It's a good sign.
When you're on this trail, you will be walking by the ruins of the Miller Bay Hospital, which was in operation from 1946 to 1970. It was primarily used for tuberculosis treatment and was for First Nation patients across northern BC. We are coming onto Miller Bay. It's a very beautiful spot to just sit down, relax. And yeah, we were playing with the cameras a little bit, showing you Miller Bay, and I hope you enjoy the nature content that you are about to see. Thank you.